Welcome back everyone. Today I'm sharing a very traditional yet an unusual recipe with you. Tender Drumsticks Sabji. This recipe is very interesting and there is an equally interesting story behind it. And guess who shared this recipe with me? Our society's gardener, our Mali Kaka. So there is this big drumsticks tree in my society campus which is literally loaded with drumsticks these days. I keep seeing different society members going and plucking the drumsticks every single day, and today I also thought of doing the same. Each part of the drumsticks tree is very useful. It has got medicinal properties. So its leaves, its flowers, even the fruit, everything is edible and can be used to heal many different diseases or deficiencies in our body. And here he is explaining how to make curry using flowers of the drumsticks tree.
ये इसका बिना छिलका बिना उतारे आम कापी देवानो तो લઈ જાઉં आप दोगे मुझे एक दो तोड़ के थोड़ा ही देना ट्राई करूँगी
This sabji is very simple. Doesn't require many ingredients, least spices, very healthy and yet equally tasty. So let's get started.